Today, should we talk video creation and video editing right from your cell phone? Nadya Melton here, and I teach entrepreneurs and network marketers how to create a life they don't need a vacation from. Essentially, how to build your whole business from your cell phone so you can work anywhere. Okay, and in today's tutorial, I want to teach you very simple tips and strategies on how you can shoot very good quality video right on your phone, and then you could do your own editing, and how to make it platform specific. Example is, let's say you shot a video and it's in horizontal mode, but you want to use it for Instagram, for IGTV. As you know, it needs to be vertical. So how do we make that transition, right? Okay, so let's get into it. I love this app called Videoshow. When you use this app, now I do have the pro version, and at the time of this recording, I believe it's $20, but it was so worth it. And what I love about Videoshow app is that when you go into Supercamera, and what I love about this, okay, take a peek, is I can choose the beauty filter, and notice it airbrushes you. Can you believe that? It's really, really, really cool. Now, I gotta tell you, this is probably a little much. So this right here is, okay, it's not bad, fine. But I like to use this middle piece right here. Okay, so instantly, I know for ladies, right? Here's what we know about that is when you look good and you feel good, you're going to crush it extra. Okay, so that's step one. You're going to beautify your essence. Maybe you didn't put your full makeup on, whatever, right? So you're gonna record the video in this app, and then we can also do video edits inside this app as well. If you just click to video edit and then just play with like the cutting of the clip, adding some music, it's so easy to use. I swear, it took me like 15 minutes to figure it out. Okay? All right, great. So we can use this gorgeous app to shoot the videos. We can add a filter to it. We can do the editing inside this particular app. Now, another app I would recommend for you to create videos, to edit videos is iMovie. iMovie is available for Apple users, right? iMovie. Now, I use it on my computer. I also use it on my phone. Really simple to use. If you don't know how to do it, you can just YouTube it, right? How to use iMovie on my cell phone, but very similar as Videoshow app. I mean, it's pretty, like they make it really easy for you to figure it out, okay? Now, once we are done with the video creation and we want to now bring it into the IGTV format, let's just say, into that vertical format, is we can use this app called InShot. We can import the video and it makes it really cool blurred out look, and it looks beautiful. Cool, right? All right, did you love this video? Let me know, what apps are you using to create videos, to edit videos, to really fancy up your video production? Now, I always am gonna tell you that as an entrepreneur, although there's always gonna be tools and apps and things that we can access to make this process quick and in a hurry and easy to do our own video editing, but ultimately, I'm always going to encourage you to hire somebody. Listen, if you haven't seen any of my virtual trainings, like how to hire virtual help at pennies on the dollar, like how to hire a virtual assistant for as little as $5 an hour, check out one of my other IGTV episodes. I have a training just for you to help you with that. Because listen, you can have it all, but you just can't do it all, right? You got it? All right, cool. I hope you loved it. You're amazing. Go crush it. Go do some videos, because videos, 1 minute of video equals 1 million words. People love them. Go do it. You're awesome. Talk to you soon. Bye.